Hey guys, ChrisFix here, and today we are taking the DriftStang to the track and we're going drifting. Now, this isn't a normal video. You're gonna be sitting shotgun with me in the passenger seat as we go around the track, and this isn't a normal video because right now you're looking through a 180-degree camera. This is a cutting-edge, high-tech camera. Basically, what it allows you to do is you're able to look around. So if you're on a desktop computer, you could grab the mouse, grab the screen, click and drag, and you're able to look around. If you're using a cell phone, you could grab the cell phone, move it around like this, and look around. If you're lucky enough to have a virtual reality goggle, you could go and use that and literally just turn your head and look around. And the idea is, we're gonna be shredding tires just like this, and you're gonna be able to get in the car with me and ride along. It's gonna be a blast. I understand not everybody can make it out to the charity ride-alongs I do and get in the passenger seat. The subscribers that get to do that, they're super lucky. They have a blast. It's so much fun, but not everybody could come out to where I am and get in the passenger seat. So here's your chance right now in this video to do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump in the drift car and you're able to go passenger seat and look around. So let's go head to the track. We'll get our helmets on and we'll go out and drift. All right, so we're lined up on grid and this is front track. Just paying attention over here. If you want to look down this way, see what I'm doing with my hands and feet. This is the hydraulic e-brake. You'll see me clutch in with my left foot and pull the hydro, and that allows your car to slide out more. Then if you see me just tapping the clutch like this, that's called clutch kicking, and that gives the drivetrain a shock, and that allows you to snap the rear end out so you get more angle. The most important thing is we want this first turn. You'll see we go straight. This first turn, we want to be extra wide and carry a lot of speed. We're gonna go into this turn at 60 miles an hour. So if we can carry speed through that turn and go extra wide, all that momentum is gonna pull through the rest of the course and we're gonna have a great run. So let's see what we can do. All right, here we go, a ride along in the DriftStang. Since this is our first run, let's warm up the tires so we don't have understeer. Shift into second, and remember, we need to hit 60 miles an hour for the first turn. And there's 60, so initiate with the e-brake, and this is gonna scrub some speed, but it sets us up on the right line. That's a little tight there, so let's see if we can swing the rear around to the edge of the track. Beautiful, that was perfect. Now just a dab of e-brake to pull the front away from those tires, and pay attention to my hands with the steering wheel and how smooth everything is. There's no jerking of the steering wheel, no flailing around, it's just nice and smooth. If it looks like you're swatting bees inside your drift car, you're doing something wrong. Now we're getting up close to the spectators in the stands, and they're on the right, so give them a wave, and now it's time to ride the wall, and we don't want to mess up here, otherwise we'll go into the wall. And the nice thing about this car is it's got air conditioning. Everybody else is like really hot. I got my windows rolled up, and we are nice and comfortable. Okay, now we're on the back track, which is completely different. Watch this. I'm gonna flick the car towards the trees and give her a clutch kick to initiate this first turn, which is a long decreasing radius turn that goes uphill. So we need to stay as close to the left edge coming over the hill and make sure we stay on the power. For the second turn, I'm gonna hit the e-brake just to slow the car down a little bit so we don't slide off the track. And the track has a ton of dirt and mud on it, so there's no grip at all, so let's be careful not to spin out. And we're cutting that last corner so close, but we can power through, and there we go. Woo, baby! All right. I haven't done the backtrack in a while, but that felt awesome. Okay, last run of the day, and we're going back onto the front track. I'm gonna be quiet this run, so you guys just hang on, enjoy, and have a look around. That is what you call a dirt drop. Oh man. Woo! covered. So that was a good day of drifting. That was a blast. The car did awesome and we did awesome. This was insane. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride, because that is a once in a lifetime thing to be able to get in a drift car. I hope that's VR thing is really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that and you got to try it out and use it. This is, if this works out, this is something I'll definitely do again. Let me know in the comments below if this was good, if you enjoyed it, if you were able to look around, see me clutch kick, look to the side. As always, if you enjoyed the video, remember to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos. Maybe like this, we'll see how the VR goes, but definitely more how-to videos and some more drifting videos. And then as always, thank you guys for all the support, and I hope you enjoyed this. This was really cool. This was a great day.